Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Marvelous Marble Blue and Gold, June 2022. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Skull Lover Nails. I've already got Take Your base coat on my nails, and this is China Glaze, Simply Fabulous. This is one of my favorite polishes. So here we go with our first coat. Now, I do hate the brush. I'm just going to throw that out there real quick. These old China Glaze skin and brushes are awful, awful. And this is a jelly polish, so I am not expecting any kind of real opacity on this first coat. We're going to slap this on there, glide it on there, get it on there any way you can, and then we're going to head on to the next coat. So I do cap my free edge. I know a lot of people don't do that, but I still do it. Hi, Woody. How you doing? So here we go with our second coat. And the camera doesn't do this polish justice. It is such a squishy, glossy, juicy kind of polish. It's hands down one of the main polishes that got me to loving jelly polishes at all. The look of it in the end is stunning. Okay, so I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. And we're going to get this one to dry down. And before I forget, I will have a link to the hashtag and the other participants over there on the Instagram if you'd like to go check out some more blue and gold marvelous marbles. Get that. There we go. Alright, so there's a swatch photo of it on its own. And today, instead of water marbling, I'll be using the Cold Diary 076. And I'm going to use those marble patterns. I got out a Conad stamper and my H. LaCour scraper. And we got the She Modern Sticky Gold stamping polish. This stuff is amazing. So, yeah, this month I just decided instead of water marbling or whatever, I would just go ahead and use this marble stamping plate. And, I mean, as soon as I heard the prompt blue and gold, I already had this in my head. So, we're just going to jump on through it. And I do love that every month there's going to be a different color theme, color combo and all that. I just love this one. This once a month thing is my kind of business. And this She Modern Sticky Stamping Polish is so lovely because you do not have to work fast, which I do because I've been stamping for a very long time, and I learned real quick that, you have to get on it. But for those of you that are just starting out stamping or gave up stamping because it was just too hard, you might want to check out these She Modern Sticky Stamping Polishes because they're a game changer. You can take your time. I mean, you could, clean up your nail one at a time after you stamp and clean up your plate, everything. You've got time to do it. And it's just lovely, lovely business. Here we go. I'm turning that plate around. As you can see, I'm just using a bunch of different images. There's so much to choose from. And I didn't want all of them to look alike. So I wanted them to get along together, but I didn't want them to look the same. So that's why I'm moving around the plate and getting all these different images up. And I just really, really enjoy it. I was going to try to salvage the little bit for my pinky nail, but I was like, girl, get over it. Just do another one. Loving this. Loving this. I totally was digging this manicure. I really enjoyed it. Loved wearing it. Stayed on my nails for a week, And I didn't get tired of it, so there we go. Awesome. So now I'm going to clean my plate and my mat up with some pure acetone. And get that put away clean so that next time I want to use it, it's ready to go. There we go. Beautiful. Get some more acetone. Loving it. And then I'll wipe over it with a lint-free wipe. This plate's not too bad about tearing it up. There are some little fuzzies falling off, but it's okay. Alright, so I'm going to hop in with piece of tape and get some of this excess polish up off of my skin. This just helps me with my final cleanup on this part. You know, it makes it to where I don't have to spend as much time with the acetone on my fingers. And as much as I play with acetone and nail polish and stuff, I need every break I can get. So, there we go. We're almost there, I promise. We're getting there, we're getting there. Okay, I'm going to top these with the Maniology Smudge-Free Top Coat. And once that is totally dry, which doesn't take long at all, it dries very quick, I'm going to be topping it with a glossy fast drying top coat. There we have it. Today I'll be using Moonshine Manny's Let's Go top coat. I've got a bunch of this. She had like a clearance sale quite a while back, maybe over a year ago, and I bought a bunch of it. So I'm just gonna squeeze that in every once in a while. Gonna cap that free edge, and that'll be it. So I do hope you enjoyed this manicure. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. That's it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.